Consistently scalping Betfair on reasonable stakes is totally possible in the horse racing markets, as you'll see in this example. But making money with Betfair trading is all about efficiency and consistency. Indicators are important, and we'll talk about them in future uploads. But the point that I really want to get over here is being effective in how you manage your own trading positions, particularly when you're scalping, is extremely important. The purpose of this video is to show an example of some Betfair scalping in action and how I manage my positions in the market whilst I'm doing that. So without further ado, over to the screen. I'm going to restart this recording from the very beginning because this is the final 2 minutes before the start of a race where the market's most active. I'm not going to bang on about that right now because it's discussed in those previous videos uploaded to this YouTube channel. So the recording starts here because this is where the market activity is. This is where the opportunity is, and you'll see that there's a lot of prices bouncing around there. There's money flowing into the market. If we take a look at that column on the right, you can see the traded volumes. There's thousands of pounds being matched per minute on this race. This is a good situation for some scalping, and that's why I'm clicking around all these £200 stakes. So I'm stacking orders either side of the book in anticipation that the price is likely to move towards them, and that is a key point because we want to let the market do the work for us, move towards us, and then once it reaches our price, touches our position, we're either gonna close out for a quick profit, very short term, or scratch our position. And that's exactly what I'm doing there. I appreciate for beginners, this might be a little bit too fast, a little bit confusing. There's links in the description down below if you want some slower, more educational based content. Now, it looks easier than it is, but with the right understanding, it's quite possible, as you can see on the screen here, because you only want to target the right situations to be doing this. You want to totally avoid the situations where it's not going to happen. You don't need to predict where the price moves. With this scalping strategy, the beauty is the market does the work for us, and we don't actually have to have the foresight of where the price is going. So you can see the price is bouncing up and down, and it's actually within quite a tight range here. There's high turnover, there's high volume. It's great for scalping because we can get our orders matched very quickly on either side of the book and even cancel out our positions. If you take a look at the traded volumes on the actual chart, the Betfair chart at the very bottom there, you can see that there's been a lot of money matched on this favourite, and especially in a tight period of time shortly before the start of the race. There's been very little movement, and identifying that situation is half the battle. That's where so many beginners go wrong, trying to trade different situations with different strategies and basically matching up the wrong strategy to the wrong situation. So there you have it, £34 profit in just a few minutes worth of trading. Subscribe to the channel to see more Betfair trading uploads and check out the 3 biggest mistakes that Betfair traders make when scalping here in the end screen. They get so many traders in an emotional mess that it's unreal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.